Unlock the future of payments and say goodbye to fumbling for your wallet. Here's how to use your Bank of America digital card in store. First, ensure your Bank of America digital card is set up. Open your Bank of America mobile app, navigate to your card accounts and locate your credit or debit card. You'll see an option to add it to your mobile wallet. Tap this and follow the prompts to securely add your card to either Apple Wallet or Google Pay on your smartphone or smartwatch. Once added, making a payment is incredibly simple at checkout. Look for the contactless payment symbol on the terminal. Wake your phone or smartwatch, then simply hold your device near the contactless reader until you feel a vibration or see a confirmation on the screen. Your payment is processed instantly and securely. Using your digital card offers significant security advantages. Your actual card number isn't transmitted during transactions. Thanks to tokenization, this creates a unique digital token for each purchase, making it much harder for fraudsters to steal your information. It's a smarter, more secure way to pay.